We have a pretty crazy light setup. We actually have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 bulbs lighting me right now. But if you can't afford that many lights, and yes, some of ours are makeshift, then you can still get great lighting with just one light. And today I'm going to run through 5 different one light setups for your photo or video. Hello, I'm Noah from Anything Cameras, a channel that focuses on helping you improve your filming and photography. And like I said, we're going to go through 5 one light setups for photo or video. These setups are called Rembrandt, split light, broad light, butterfly light, and loop light. We're going to go through them in that order, so let's get started. The first one, and the most common one, is the Rembrandt. This is actually named after an old dead artist. This artist was a painter, and he discovered that due to the shape of a human face, if you had the right light, then a negative shadow in a triangular shape would be created right on your cheek. And this is what made his pictures unique back in the day. This is now a very commonly used light in photography and sometimes video. And how you set it up is you want the light at about a 45-degree angle from your subject, just above, and it may take some trial and error, but you should see eventually a triangular negative shadow right beside your subject's nose, as demonstrated here. Our next light is a split light. This is perhaps the easiest to get right. You want the light to be straight on and level with your subject directly to the side. This creates a split light so that half of your face is lit and the other half is dark. This light is commonly used in very dramatic photos, and in the movie industry, especially in movie posters, it will often be used to light antagonist characters or characters who are split between two sides. Our next light is the butterfly or paramount light. This light is best on women because it's a very soft light, but we don't have a female subject here today, so I'll just use it on my glowing face. This light, as I said, is very soft, and it's called a butterfly or a paramount light. Paramount because in the 20s and 30s, actresses would have to have this kind of lighting in their resume photo. Now, they did not have to have this on their contract for any legal reason. It was just the style back then. This light is created by putting the light high above the subject, straight on in front of the camera, as seen here. Our next light is very similar to the split light, and this is called broad light. All you have to do is instead of having the light straight beside the subject, you put the light slightly behind them. This creates a more broad area of lighting, but still divides the two halves of the subject's face. You can see the difference here. Finally, our last light is called the loop light. This light is similar to the Rembrandt. You want it at roughly a 45-degree angle, but you want to have the light higher up. And you should still see a little bit of a triangle, but this differs from the Rembrandt in the fact that it fills in more of the face since it's higher up. So you'll see the triangle, as demonstrated here, but you'll also see more light on other parts of the cheek and face. Here is a comparison of the two lights. Hopefully this helped you light your videos or photos well. I'm Noah, thanks for watching. This light works best on women, and so in the B-roll you'll see Leaf. No, I'm kidding.